Malaysia weather. Sometime is hot. Sometime is raining. Hot again. Then raining again. So if raining, can I riding my e-bike in the rain? Riding in the rain can be dangerous. You may face situations like this. Or this. Or even like this.
Oh shit!
If you really want to do so, ride it slowly. Skip away deep water. And dry their major parts immediately. Because wiring is easy to be spoiled by water. And controller also. Don't expose your e-bike under heavy raining. More dangerous is charging outdoor. Charging outdoor is not allowed. So, cover up if parking outdoor. StonBike care about you.